I don't know about you guys, but 2024 has made me realize that I am not going to continue looking at the little things and the big things that bother me at home. Home is somewhere we spend so much time. And I think, making sure you don't have those little irritations about the wallpaper that's peeling off, or, that chair that you don't really love that you've been meaning to get rid of for years but just haven't got round to. 2024 definitely for me is the year to say no more. My home is my happy space. I want to always be content here, and I'm going to make sure I take care of all those little snagging issues that are really just kind of nagging at me and irritating me. For me, it's this one sort of area that I've got an access panel and it's always forever peeling off. So I'm going to go to someone, sort out an alternative way to have that sort of, dealt with in terms of needing it to still be an access panel, but finding a way to redecorate that area so the wallpaper isn't always peeling off. My dining space, which is actually where I am, which I love, I'm desperate to refresh. So there's one side of it which you guys can't see at the moment, it's the other side. It's absolutely fine, but it's not my favorite thing in the house. And because it's one of those center locations where I'm always there, I can see it all the time, I'm going to make a real effort to make that change this year.